We see something that said, take a look at what happened. We see something that said, take a look at what happened.
Former President Donald Trump was injured Saturday evening during his rally in Butler, Pennsylvania, in what the FBI says was an assassination attempt. The gunman and at least one audience member are dead, the Secret Service said, and 2 other attendees are critically injured. So, let's see what we have so far.
We see something that said, take a look at what happened. Let me get my shoes.
Got you, sir. I got you, sir.
Let me get my shoes, sir.
Hold that in your head. It's bloody.
So we gotta move to the car.
Let me get my shoes.
Okay,
Watch out.
Here's footage the moment sniper shot the shooter at Trump rally.
And you know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old. And if you want to really see something that said, take a look at what happened.
Footage showing the moment that the shooter, Thomas Matthew Crooks, had opened fire on the Trump rally in Butler County, Pennsylvania, as well as him being killed seconds later by a Secret Service counter-sniper.
Get over here!
I hope he's turning this way. Be careful, guys.
What are you doing?
Where's that? Where's that?
Somebody go shot. He's right there. Oh no.
Are we in Butler?
Yes.
What the fuck is going on?
Ross!
Dad, where's that? Dude, that's exactly why we need fucking Trump here.
Oh, the fucking Secret Service don't fuck around, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, look, they're undercover.
Where's that
That's him laying.
Rico Elmore, who was covered in blood, told me when he heard shots fired at Trump's rally, he jumped over the barrier and put his hand on the head of the attendee who was profusely bleeding. Elmore was one of the speakers at the rally.
What happened? Are you okay?
I'm good.
Yeah? Did you get hit?
No. So the other guys. Appreciate it.
Were there a lot of other guys? Just one?
Beaver County's ESU team.
Can you tell me what happened?
All we know was shots were fired, and then I jumped over the barrier and put my hand on the guy's head that was profusely bleeding.
Who was it? Do you know?
I don't know. Just a stranger.
This is not Trump, though. This is another person.
Yeah. So Trump's not here.
And it was, you said he got hit on his head?
Yeah.
Did you see, were you in the vicinity of where Trump was?
I was on the side. I was a special guest.
Are you okay?
I'm Rico Elmore, but I just military reactions.
Yeah. I'm sorry, would I be all right? Could I get your name?
Rico Elmore.
Eyewitness tells BBC that he informed police, Secret Service, about a suspicious man on a roof with a rifle.
And watch and listen to the rally, right? We couldn't see him, but we could hear him. So we walked up, and probably 5 to 7 minutes of Trump speaking. I'm estimating here. I have no idea, but we noticed the guy crawling, bear crawling up the roof of the building beside us, 50 feet away from us. So we're standing there, you know, we're pointing at the guy crawling up the roof.
And he had a gun, right?
He had a rifle.
A rifle.
We could clearly see him with a rifle. Absolutely. We're pointing at him. The police are down there running around on the ground. We're like, hey, man, there's a guy on the roof with a rifle. And the police were like, huh, what? You know, like they didn't know what was going on. You know, we're like, hey, right here on the roof. We can see him from right here. We see him. You know, he's crawling. And next thing you know, I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, why is Trump still speaking? Why have they not pulled him off the stage? I'm standing there pointing at him for, 2-3 minutes. Secret Service is looking at us from the top of the barn. I'm pointing at that roof, just standing there like this. And next thing you know, 5 shots ring out.
So you're certain that the shots came from that guy on the roof?
100%. 100%.
And he was up there for a couple of minutes.
He was up there.
You saw him up there for a couple of minutes.
Absolutely. At least 3 to 4 minutes.
And you were telling the police and the Secret Service?
We were telling the police. We were pointing at him for the Secret Service, who were looking at us from the top of the barn. They were looking at us the whole time when we were standing by that tree.
Could they see
binoculars?
Could they see him?
Probably not, because the roof, the way the slope went, he was behind where they could see. But why is there not Secret Service on all of these roofs here? I mean, this is not a big place.
Did you see, I mean, obviously everyone, when the shooting started, everyone was very panicked. Did you see what happened to him at all?
Oh yeah, they blew his head off.
Okay, sorry.
Secret Service blew his head off.
Okay, just be careful, because we don't quite know who's watching, but you're pretty sure they shot the guy?
Absolutely, 100%.
Okay.
Yep.
You saw that happen?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And did you see them go up to him afterwards, or?
They crawled up on the roof. They had their guns pointed at him, make sure he was dead. He was dead, and that was it. It was over.
Another eyewitness says he saw the suspect at Trump's rally go in between one building to the next when he alerted the police.
Just take me back. What were you doing before the shooting happened, and then what did you see and hear?
I was just standing there like everybody else, waiting for Trump. And as Trump started, I noticed 2 officers that were looking for something or somebody. I was looking around myself and seeing a guy on top of one of the buildings go in between one building to the next, and went and told the officer that he was up there. And when I went back to my spot, I heard that people could still see the person from where they were standing. So I checked that out, and I went back to tell the officer that if he came over there, he could see them. And when I turned my back is when the shots started, and then it took me a second or two to figure out exactly what it was. And then it was just getting out of there and helping some other person out with her child, and we got out, and that was the end of that. And I went and left, and that was all.
Doctor who tried saving someone's life at the Trump rally recalls what he experienced.
What did you see, sir?
I heard the shots. I thought it was firecrackers to begin with. Somebody over there was screaming, he's been shot, he's been shot. So I made my way over. I said, I'm an emergency department physician. Let me help you. The guy had spun around, was jammed between the benches. He had a headshot here. There was lots of blood, and he had brain matter there. And so I got him. There's a helicopter coming in to get him. I got people there really helpful. I got him up on a bench.
Was there only one person shot that you saw?
Then I did CPR, did chest compressions, as well as I breathed for him.
One person?
I was the only one who did it.
We need to evacuate everybody.
Trump said on social media that he was shot and hit by a bullet in the upper part of my right ear. The Secret Service said the former president is safe after he was rushed off the stage with blood on his face. The FBI has identified the gunman as Thomas Matthew Crooks, 20, from Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. Authorities say he fired multiple shots from a building rooftop just outside the rally venue before he was killed by Secret Service agents.
Move to spare. Hold. When you're ready. On you. Ready. Move. Up. Move. Go.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.